In today's video, I will walk you through how to create gold text in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by creating a new document, change the color mode to 16-bit, then set the background color to black. This darker background helps the gold effect stand out much more clearly. Next, select the Type tool and type your text. After typing your text, set the text color to a medium gray, with a value around 50% gray. Starting with gray instead of white helps the metallic effect look more realistic once the styles are applied. Press Ctrl-A to select the entire canvas, then use the alignment options to center the text perfectly. After that, press Ctrl-D to deselect everything. Now press Ctrl-T to transform the text. Scale it up while holding the Shift key so the proportions stay consistent as you resize it on screen. Once the text is in place, open the Layer Style panel and choose Bevel and Emboss. Follow the same settings shown in the tutorial, because this is what creates the raised metallic surface and gives the text its dimensional look. After that, add an inner shadow. Again, use the settings shown in the video. This adds more depth and contrast inside the lettering, helping the gold effect feel more polished and realistic. When you finish, press OK to apply the styles. Now drag the text layer onto the folder icon to place it inside a group. Rename the group so your layers stay organized while working. Create a new layer above the folder. Then select the Gradient tool. Inside the Gradient options at the top, choose the black and white gradient. Click and drag upward across the canvas with a slight angle. This creates a soft lighting effect across the text. Right-click the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask so the gradient only affects the text group below it. Next, change the blending mode of that gradient layer to Overlay, then reduce the fill amount until the lighting looks balanced and smooth. Now go to the Adjustment Layer menu and choose Gradient Map. A custom gold gradient is included in the description below the video. After downloading it, it will appear at the bottom of your gradient presets inside Photoshop. Select that gradient and press OK. Then click the clipping icon, so the adjustment only affects the text layer underneath. This is the step that gives the text its final gold coloring and metallic finish. And that is the complete effect. You now have a clean gold text design created entirely inside Photoshop, using layer styles and gradients. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.